Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you about the external body parts with pronunciation and also about the examples and real conversations. So what are the external body parts? So the word is used to call or to name external body parts in Amharic. So let's start one by one. So please start by subscribing my channel and by like my video. So thanks for that. So let's see. So these English body parts, these are English body parts, and this is Amharic name, and this is a pronunciation in Amharic in English letters. So the one is head. It means in Amharic ras. Head means in Amharic ras, ras, and it is hair. In Amharic it means ጸጉር. Hair means in Amharic ጸጉር. And forehead means in Amharic ግንባር. Forehead means in Amharic ግንባር. And eye in Amharic, eye means in Amharic eye. Eye means in Amharic eye. Like if you want to say like her eye is beautiful. So it means in Amharic አይኖቿ ቆንጆ ናቸው. So eye means in Amharic አይን. And the other is ear means in Amharic ጆሮ. Ear. So the ear is to listen. So ear is to listen. So ጆሮ so ear is used to listen. So ጆሮ የሚያገለግለው ለመስማት ነው። ስለዚህ so ear means ጆሮ. And a nose to smell. So the uses of this external body part. So nose. So by the way, this nose, ear, tongue, eye. So this is called sense organs. So this nose it means in Amharic አፍንጫ. So nose is to smell. So that means in Amharic አፍንጫ ለማሽተት ነው የሚጠቅመው. So nose is to smell. So this አፍንጫ nose means in Amharic አፍንጫ. And mouth means in Amharic አፍ. Mouth means in Amharic አፍ. And lip means in Amharic ከንፈር. Lip means in Amharic ከንፈር. Lips means in Amharic ከንፈር. And a tooth means in Amharic ጥርስ. Tooth means in Amharic ጥርስ. Tooth means in Amharic ጥርስ. And a tongue means in Amharic ምላስ. Tongue means in Amharic ምላስ. Tongue means in Amharic ምላስ. And a chin it means in Amharic አገጭ. Chin means in Amharic አገጭ. And a neck it means in Amharic አንገት. Neck means in Amharic አንገት. And a shoulder it means in Amharic ትከሻ. Shoulder means in Amharic ትከሻ. And arm it means in Amharic ክንድ. Arm means in Amharic ክንድ. And elbow it means in Amharic ክንድ ጫፍ. Elbow means in Amharic ክንድ ጫፍ. And a hand it means in Amharic እጅ. Hand means in Amharic እጅ. And a finger it means in Amharic ጣት. Finger means in Amharic ጣት. And a nail it means in Amharic ጥፍር. Nail means in Amharic ጥፍር. Nail means in Amharic ጥፍር. And a chest in Amharic means ደረት. Chest means in Amharic ደረት. And a back it means in Amharic ጀርባ. Back means in Amharic ጀርባ. And stomach it means in Amharic is ሆድ. Stomach means in Amharic ሆድ. Stomach means in Amharic ሆድ. So ሆድ. So this stomach means in Amharic ሆድ. Stomach it means in Amharic ሆድ. So let's correct the table. So like this. So this stomach So like this. So this stomach, so the chest is deret. Chest means deret. And the back it means jerba. Back means it is jerba. And is stomach is it means in Amharic hod. Stomach means it is hod. So stomach is digest of food. So it means in Amharic hod ምግብ ይፈጫል. So this stomach is hod. And waist it means ወገብ. Waist means in Amharic ወገብ. And hip it means in Amharic dalle. Hip means in Amharic dalle. And a leg it means in Amharic እግር. Leg means in Amharic እግር. And a knee it means in Amharic ጉልበት. Knee means in Amharic ጉልበት. And ankle it means in Amharic ቁርጭምጭሚት. Ankle it means in Amharic ቁርጭምጭሚት. I think it's not easy to pronounce, so you can practice it, you can try it. So ቁርጭምጭሚት. So ankle means ቁርጭምጭሚት. And a foot it means እግር. Foot means እግር. By the way, this foot and a leg is the same. Foot and the leg is the same. So foot and leg it's the same name for in Amharic. So እግር. So foot is እግር. And toe it means የእግር ጣት. Toe means it means የእግር ጣት. Toe means የእግር ጣት. And skin ቆዳ. Skin means in Amharic ቆዳ. It is external parts of our body. So this skin is ቆዳ. And a beard it means in Amharic ጢም ወይም ጢም. So beard means ጢም. So this is all about the words used to call or to name external body parts. So let's see an example. So example is what's happened to your hand? So what happened to your hand? When we say in a sentence example, so what happened to your hand? It means in Amharic እጅህ ምን ሆነ? So this hand means in Amharic እጅ. Hand means in Amharic እጅ. So እጅህ ምን ሆነ? ምን ሆነ? So I cut my hand while cooking. So this means in Amharic ምግብ ስሰራ እጄን ቆረጥኩ. So the reason for his hand is because of when he cooking food he cut his hand. So I cut my hand while cooking. ምግብ ስሰራ እጄን ቆረጥኩ. And the other is my head hurt. So what does it mean head in Amharic? So head. So it means what? ራስ. So ራስ. So my head hurts. Means ራሴን አሞኛል. So my head hurts. It means in Amharic ራሴን አሞኛል. So you should rest. ማረፍ አለብህ. And your eyes look tired. This means in Amharic አይኖች ደክመዋል. So eye means in Amharic አይን. So yes, I did not sleep well. አዎ ጥሩ አልተኛም. So why are you touching your nose? So what does it mean nose in Amharic? It means in Amharic አፍንጫ. Nose means in Amharic አፍንጫ. So why are you touching your nose? So this means in Amharic አፍንጫን ለምን ትነካለህ? So it is itchy. That means in Amharic እያሳከከኝ ነው. So this so the rest is your hair is very long. So what does it mean hair in Amharic? It means ፀጉር. So ፀጉርህ በጣም ረጅም ነው. Your hair is very long. This means in Amharic ፀጉርህ በጣም ረጅም ነው. I'll cut it tomorrow. So cut means in Amharic መቁረጥ. So I'll cut it tomorrow. ነገ እቆረጠዋለሁ. So this is all about today's lesson. So thanks for watching my videos. So please subscribe, share, and like my channel and my videos. So please try it to call and to practice these words uh, used for body parts, external body parts, used for to call or to name external body parts. So if you practice it, you will be perfect. So thanks for watching my videos. So see you to another video. Bye.